Okay. Hello, guys. So, I figured I'd do this. I've had this game for absolutely ages, and I've seen so many playthroughs on it. So I figured I'd make my own playthrough on it. I fixed this. If you can tell that it's really dark up here and hard to see, I noticed that while the video was starting. I don't know how to fix that. Oh, 1 second. Okay. Now that I've got that copyright problem done, I will link... Actually, I don't think this game is available anymore. It might be. I don't know. I will check, though. Oop. So, I'm just going to start the park. So, what we want is a relatively big park. Actually, start. I've heard that before, and if you wanted to listen to it, I'll listen to that message later. So, if we hit tab, we can go to the world map, and I usually start right there, right at the edge. That's probably really loud sounds. And wait, nope. Let's go to Nedry, fat crap. And we'll put that guy right there. That's all we really have time for today, because my tablet's about to die. So, we'll start building the park tomorrow. Have a nice day.